YouTube, what's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy Sauce Boss back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. So today, hold on, wait a minute. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss anything and any content when I drop it, okay? Thank you very, very much. But today's project, I'm gonna make this a nice little quick one, easy one, but something that will help you out through your sewing experiences throughout life. So I'm gonna show you how to make an inside pocket with a snap button. So that's what we're going to do today. If you don't know, now you're gonna know, baby, baby, in my biggie voice. So let's head over to the table of greatness and make something great happen. Let's go. So at this point right now, I'm going to show you how to install this inner pocket. So now you'll flip the lining piece over on its face, and you'll see that I got it already flipped over, and I had already positioned where I want my lining piece to my pocket to actually go. So I mark where I want to mark my pocket. So that's the mark right there, and then this is my pocket. So I took two pieces, I took the lining piece and the fabric piece, and I put them together. One is longer than the other, and that's because when you actually go around, you're gonna have to sew right up top here to actually lock it in. But right here, everything is serged and already serged and sewn. But if you ain't got a serger, then you can just sew it and it'll work fine. And then you put your outer ledge, because that's what you're gonna actually see. And then you'll flip it over and give it a nice clean look on the inside, because this is what you'll be seeing when you put your wallet, your phone, or phone numbers, or condoms in there. So there you go. So now we're gonna cut this, and I'm gonna show you how this go, and let's rock and roll. Oh, I think I might add a snap piece to this too. So let me see if I want to do that. So before I do that, right, thinking about adding a snap button to it. A nice little snap button right here. So before I actually install it, I'm going to get some snaps and do the snap button. And I'm going to show you how you do that before I even install it. So give me one moment. So now I'm going to show you how to add a snap button to an inside pocket. So these are the tools that I needed for the snap button. I placed a pin right here where I'm going to actually have the snap and the button come together. So we just do like this, and you're going to actually need a hole puncher right here. So we're going to punch this hole. We're going to move this, come down, punch the hole. Oh boy, yeah, you heard that. You heard that. So now that I got that hole right there, what I do is go back over the hole again and snap it to the other side so it'll be perfectly lined up. There we go. Now you see, got them two holes perfectly lined up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the back side first, because the snap gonna go on the front. So we're gonna actually do like this. And let me make sure I get this right. So we're gonna take this one of the pieces. We're gonna push that through to this side. Then, like that, as you can see. So you can actually see that. And what I'm going to do. So now that you have that, what we're going to actually do is take this one, because it goes right over the button, like so. We're going to give it a couple good hits. Yeah, let's give it a couple good hits. Now that's locked in, and then we'll come from this side, push this through like so. That, and then we'll take the other one and we'll give it a couple good hits. And now it's locked in. So now you have your nice snap button, if you can see. See how that looks? Super nice, super clean. Now let's get all this stuff out the way and get it installed into the jughead. So I went ahead and I sewn it in. This is how we looking right now. That's how the pocket is looking. Snap. That's how it looks on the back. And now the pocket is fully installed and working and look functional. Put that in there. Put that in there too. Put that in there. It works. So let's finish getting the jack together, and let's get this all sewed together. I really hope that content was useful and helpful to you when you actually want to actually start installing jacket pockets with the snap button or whatever you actually want to do with it. But you know what I'm saying? If you really liked it, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So man, no further ado. But hey, never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!